First tonight, marijuana legal in New Jersey for months now. Tonight, a focus on those with marijuana drug convictions who want them cleared.
This includes a Cape May family fighting for justice right now while one of their relatives remains in jail tonight. News 12 New Jersey's Naomi Yane has that story. Naomi?
That's right, Brittany. One New Jersey man whose sentence came after the decriminalization of adult use marijuana, like you mentioned, remains behind bars after an objection from a judge slows the possibility for a shorter sentence.
I came home from working second job to a nice cooked dinner on the table to Berto and our daughter Lily. Typically he cooks, I clean. So he said he was going to take a ride, which was normal. And I said, okay, see you later.
Brooke Popplewell describes the hours before her husband Humberto Ramirez was pulled over and later arrested for marijuana in February of 2019.
They did not have a search warrant for the car. It actually took a little over 2 days to obtain that. When they finally received the search warrant, they called and said, you can come pick up your car. So at that time, we knew what that meant. He wasn't coming home.
6 pounds of weed were found in a garbage bag in the trunk, equaling a second-degree crime. Humberto Ramirez, the family man Brooke described, was on his way to prison for weed for a third time, this time for 7 years with a 2-year minimum.
I'm not saying that Berto did not commit a crime. I believe, there should be repercussions to anyone who breaks the law. However, I think you need to look at the crime at hand. Nonviolent cannabis should be more of fines than house arrest or drug court.
Last year, the Attorney General's office issued a directive revising statewide guidelines concerning the waiver of mandatory minimum sentences in a nonviolent drug case, with the intention of easing sentences, including retroactively.
The judge that these cases went in front of, she felt that the Attorney General did not have the right to create this directive. And this directive was created because of the disparities in the sentences that individuals were receiving and how those sentences especially affected people of color.
The directive from the Attorney General's office means hundreds of inmates with nonviolent weed crimes could become eligible for parole.
Please urge the prosecutor to do what's right and sign this paperwork so we can get him home.
Now, the directive from the Attorney General's office was sent out to prosecutors. We did reach out to the prosecutor attached to Mr. Ramirez's case. However, we haven't gotten a response back yet. I'll send it back inside to you, Brittany.
All right, Naomi, thank you.